I'm Nathanael with the Switchblade Sideshow. We've got a couple new props, some sideshow props, and I just finished making this one the other day. Don't have a proper name for it right now. We're just calling it the Doom Turkey. So it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a bunch of mouse traps mounted to a board. Setting it is like setting a time bomb or something. And it hasn't been tested out yet, so this is the test run. And it's most definitely going to be uncomfortable. So here comes the moment. You can mark these too. So maybe I should call it son of a bitch, because that was the first thing that came to mind. Wow. So there's that. Then we have a jaw trap too. This is a coyote trap. As you can see, it's no joke. And I am going to put my hand in this as well. And that's me and some traps. Thanks.